The best drawing tablets will help you realize your artistic potential, whether you're an amateur artist or an experienced professional. However, choosing the right one for your needs can be a bit of a minefield. First, you need to identify which kind you need, whether it's a tablet with its own screen, a blank slate that you use with your monitor, or a portable all-in-one tablet like an iPad. To help you choose the best option for your needs, we've extensively tried and tested all of the drawing tablets listed below, assessing the design, performance, software, and price to find the best option for every use case. Apart from dedicated drawing tablets from the likes of Wacom and XenSlabs, we've also included 2 different Apple tablets, which are more than capable tools for digital art. All the tablet links are in the video description below, and without further ado, let's get into it. Number 5. Apple iPad Air 2022. It's no iPad Pro, but the iPad Air is a very respectable choice for digital creatives, and coming in at a much lower price, it's a great option for hobbyists. It still runs on the M1 chip, making it super powerful and smooth when using creative apps, and its 2360 by 1640 IPS LCD screen offers decent brightness and fluidity. Like the Pro, it's portable and offers greater flexibility than conventional graphics tablets. You can use it for work and play as well as creative work, which is the reason it's a great choice for newer artists and hobbyists. Drawing experience on the iPad Air remains excellent, largely thanks to its compatibility with the Apple Pencil 2, which is sold separately. iPad OS is compatible with a huge range of creative apps, meaning you'll be spoiled for choice compared to traditional graphics tablets. Number 4. Wacom Inos Pro. The Wacom Inos Pro is the go-to device for most professional illustrators thanks to its fantastic, virtually lag-free pen tracking, tilt and pressure sensitivity, and great surface on which to draw. Plus, Wacom sells a variety of alternative texture sheets if you want a smoother or rougher overlay. The Inos Pro is slim but sturdy, making it easy to confidently carry around, and it comes with a variety of ports for easy connection. Those who like a tidy workspace will be pleased to learn that the Inos Pro also supports a wireless Bluetooth connection. However, some customers have found this connectivity to be sluggish at times. Customer reviews hail the Inos Pro for its incredible precision and drawing experience, and while this does drive up the price tag, it still offers good value for money. The tablet comes with the Wacom Pro Pen 2, but is compatible with other Wacom styluses as well. There's also a paper edition, which allows artists to clip their paper drawings atop the Inos Pro and convert their physical drawings to digital ones, a boon for illustrators everywhere. Number 3. iPad Pro 2022. The iPad Pro offers the best of 2 worlds. If having the best drawing tablet simply isn't enough for you, and you need to have the best tablet all round, there's really only one choice: the 12.9-inch M2 iPad Pro. It's so far ahead of the rest of the tablet market that it's not even funny, and in our review, we said it was arguably the world's most flexible creative tool. Not only is the iPad Pro powered by Apple's blazing fast M2 chip for utterly stunning performance, but it also has a mini LED XDR display with amazing brightness as well as local dimming to deliver astonishing contrast. Put the two together and throw in the wonderfully smooth and intuitive Apple Pencil 2, and you have a near unbeatable all-in-one system for creating digital art as well as showing it off to the best effect. So why with all this? Is it not our top pick? Well, it does depend on what you need. The 12.9-inch iPad Pro is so powerful and so priced accordingly that if you're only looking for a drawing tablet and won't need its many other features, it probably isn't worth it, and a dedicated tool like those above will offer greater value for money. Still, let's not lose sight of the fact that this is one of the best overall tablets on the market right now, and one of the greatest for drawing. Number 2. XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro. XP Pen is one of the industry giant Wacom's biggest competitors, offering more affordable tablets that still pack a punch for performance and design quality. The XP Pen Artist Pro Pen display is lightweight and customizable, thanks to its 8 programmable buttons, which allow you to map out your most used functions. There's also a red dual control dial that allows you to pan, scroll, rotate, zoom, and change the brush size. This tablet has a bright, fully laminated HD display with 1920 by 1080 resolution, and is available in a range of other sizes, from a small 11.6-inch to a massive 21.5-inch display. The bigger screens are a little too heavy, and smaller screens offer less room in which to play. But the Artist 15.6 Pro is a particularly good size for artists on the go. The XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro comes with the XP Pen Stylus, which, thanks to its newly developed X3 Smart chip, delivers great performance, 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and up to 60-degree tilt. However, it isn't quite as strong as the Wacom Pro Pen 2 in terms of tilt response and how it feels with which to draw. It also comes with a separate tablet stand, a drawing glove, and a handy, sturdy pen holder. Overall, at its current price, we think the Artist Pro series delivers the best value on the market given the quality it offers. Number 1. Wacom Syntic 22. Wacom is a big name in digital art, and it's easy to see why. Delivering superior pressure sensitivity, great value, and artist-first features, it's only in recent years that rivals have offered much competition. The Wacom Syntic is a pen display tablet and Wacom's answer to contest general-use tablets such as the iPad. It's a fully realized drawing tablet with plenty of space to create, and we think it's the best all-round option for value, size, design, and features. Given its size, performance, and HD resolution, it's priced pretty competitively. And while other tablets and laptops may offer slightly more in the graphics department, the larger screen lends itself to detailed work and a smoother user experience. The 22-inch panel gives artists plenty of room in which to play, but even the smaller 15.6-inch panel far exceeds the size and quality of many other tablets on this list. The tablet features folding legs, which feel solid and secure in use, and clip away neatly into the rear of the device, or you can also attach a third-party tablet stand. The Syntic is fantastic for all artists, from hobbyists to professionals, and its higher price tag is justified by the really impressive drawing experience it offers. The slate has an incredibly high LPI resolution of 5080, and when paired with the wonderful Wacom Pro Pen 2, which has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and is widely considered to be the best stylus available, the slate is about as good as it gets for precision. This is, in our opinion, the best drawing tablet in terms of the quality of performance and build. But again, if you want the best value for price, our number 2 tablet is probably a better choice for you. That was it for the video. Take care. Until next time.